This is Kaw Prahok, a Cambodian slow stewed catfish with prahok, tomatoes, kaffir lime leaves, and lemongrass. If you like prahok, this is on top of my list of recommended Khmer food. It is a deeply flavorful and aromatic dish eaten with fresh and steamed vegetables. For this recipe, we'll need a stalk of lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, 3 to 4 cloves or garlic. Kaw Prahok is not well known because it was introduced in Battambang, Cambodia. It is a dish originally created by my late grandfather-in-law back in his days before the war. He said that no one knew what this was, but everyone loved it and copied this dish soon after. 2 to 3 large tomatoes, but you can use any type of tomato. 1 to 2 lemons, some jalapeños, a pound of pork, and 1 whole catfish, cut into 1-inch thick pieces. Make sure you buy your catfish from a good clean source and thoroughly clean. Trust me, you do not want to eat a pot of Kaw Prahok that smells like catfish. In a Dutch oven or pot, arrange a layer of sliced tomato, jalapeno, garlic, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and chilies. Lay the fish and pork over the first layer and put in the remaining vegetable and garlic. Add fresh or dry hot chili peppers for extra kick of fire. Use mudfish prahok if you have some, but other type of prahok works too. Add in 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of prahok. Add more or less to your taste. I add some MSG for that extra umami flavor, or you can leave it out. Completely optional. For a hint of subtle sweetness and color, drizzle some sweet soy sauce. This is what I use here. Squeeze 1 lemon or lime juice. I also add about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon since I'm gonna make this Kaw Prahok a little soupy, but this is completely optional. And add about a cup of water. Cook on high heat just for a couple minutes until it begins to boil. Then lower the heat to lower simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. If you find my recipe useful and helpful, please give me a thumbs up, give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video. Before the last 5 minutes, gently stir and shift the fish and pork around to allow the flavors to settle throughout the pot. Gentle hand will help keep the fish meat intact, but it's fine too if they fall and break apart. For the final touch, add a few splashes of soy sauce. Here I'm using the Golden Mountain brand. And that's it. Enjoy your Kaw Prahok with fresh and steamed vegetables and some rice. This version is a variation that his wife, my late grandmother-in-law, passed down to me. Thank you so much, Grandma. We miss and think of you daily. Until next time, have a good one. Thank you.